Hey everyone, welcome to Lisk vlog number 4. We've had an amazing month here at Lisk HQ. We actually kicked off the month with an invalid transaction that was being put through on the network. Wanted to say a shout out to all of the community members that really pulled through over this time, as well as the team here who came together really swiftly over a weekend to resolve this. You can check out more details in the blog below.
Alongside that, we have some great news to share regarding the release of Testnet Core 1.0. After a long-awaited time and process of internal testing, we've made sure that everything is more than perfect with the network, and it's now ready to be tested by everyone in the community. We've had great events happening this month, including one that we're going to start off with, which is locally, Tech Open Air Berlin. We hope that you all enjoy.
Lisk is at Tech Open Air this year with 12 members of our team in attendance. I was a volunteer last year, so I can say with confidence, after going to a few of the workshops last year, that there's way more interest in blockchain. In fact, this year, there's an entire day dedicated to blockchain keynotes. We're here for two main reasons. It's one of the biggest tech conferences in Berlin, so we want to get local talent. And two, we want to educate people about blockchain. A lot of the people here in the startup industries still need to learn, and that's why we're really promoting the Lisk Academy this year.
Hi guys, Jacob from the Lisk Academy here. Long time no see. I thought I'd just update you guys on how we're getting on with the Academy. So it's been a busy time lately. We've actually updated our content quite heavily. We started covering subjects like airdrops. We've added a module called Blockchain for Kids, which is actually covering blockchain from like the least complicated way possible. Between me and you, I can imagine some CTOs learning from Blockchain for Kids as well on the use case of Santa Claus. As always, it's been designed by Julian and Valeria, so it's absolutely beautiful, so head over and check that out. The Lisk Academy has also been traveling to many conferences. We've also been promoting ourselves at the official Lisk events, like the one in London, for example, which has led us directly to working with London Blockchain Labs, which is the sort of blockchain arm, the educational arm of the universities in London, places like UCL, London School of Economics, and Imperial College. We're also very excited to announce that we're going to be working with NetGuru, the Polish digital design agency. So yeah, watch this space. A lot of exciting things to come from the Lisk Academy. Peace.
Today we actually made our way to Amsterdam to focus on hosting and conducting the very first Lisk Amsterdam Meetup. We had an attendance of over 50 individuals who had a great involvement in the event. Now we are focusing on, again, the Blockchain Expo that's to come for the next 2 days. We hope to make many contacts within this time here and continue spreading the word around the globe, with this part being in Holland.
Hi, this is Maciej speaking, team lead of Lisk Core. With the very happy news, on Thursday we've released Lisk Core 1.0 version directly to testnet. That's our final release candidate that hopefully will go to mainnet. We've come through the tough, hard times of beta net testing, when together with community we've been working on the spotted issues, the further code improvements that we've spotted. Only this month we've released beta.8 and beta.9, two releases that were introducing the further changes that need to be done before going to 1.0, breaking changes of API and other breaking changes that had to be introduced before 1.0 version. As usual, we would like to encourage you, community, to participate in the full QA and test cycle process. Great thanks to Simon that spotted already many issues and contributed a lot to the current releases. So thank you very much for that. 1.0 codebase is right now freezed and there will be accepted only bugs. We've already progressed and starting the work for the upcoming releases. 1.1 is scheduled. please wait for the mainnet release and prepare guys for the cool upcoming features.
This month with Lisk Elements we've been busy coordinating around Core for the version 1 release, but I also wanted to give a shout out to community member Alexei, aka Alapop, who's helped us improve our sign message feature. This is a feature in Lisk Elements which allows you to sign a message proving that you have the secret passphrase corresponding to some account. And we use this in Lisk Hub, and Lisk Commander, and a couple of other products. And Alexei pointed out that we weren't following best practices here, so together we worked to find a better solution, including the science team, and now the way you sign messages is totally different to the way you sign transactions, and you can't accidentally sign a transaction if you think you're just signing a message. So before you sign anything, ask yourself these 4 questions. 1, do I need to sign this? If you don't know why you're signing something, don't do it. 2, do I trust the software? If somebody tells you that you need to use their software to sign something, that's a bad sign. The easiest way to be secure is to use the software we provide, Lisk Hub for example, or downloading Lisk Elements directly from source and using that, and signing things ideally locally on your computer rather than sending a passphrase to somebody's server. 3, do I know the exact contents of this message? If it's not in a language you understand, be really careful. 4, is the message specific? An example of a good message to sign is, I approve of the decision for Light Curve to go for pizza after work on the 1st of July 2018. A bad message is, I approve this decision. Somebody could take that out of context and pretend to be you for a decision that you never agreed to.
Hi, my name is Vít. I'm the project lead of Lisk Hub, and I'm gonna show you the 2 releases that we did in the past month. In release 0.8, we changed settings to be a standalone page with its own menu entry, which gives us a lot of space to add more settings when we need it. We also added the sign message functionality, which was highly asked for by our community. Then in 0.9 release, we have updated the main menu icons to take less space so that there is space left for potential new pages. This version also adds a new feature to account page, which now lists the delegates that the account voted for. Keep yourself updated by following our GitHub and by reading blog posts about our releases.
Hey everyone! I am excited to announce that we're working on a new product. We're creating a new wallet for your smartphones, which is easy and nicely designed. We're writing it in React Native so that you have the same experience in iOS and Android. We try to keep the application intuitive and only introduce the features that you use on a daily basis. Check out our blog for further news on our mobile application.
Hello, I am Iker. I work as a cryptographer for Lisk. I'm the first member for the science team, and I started 5 to 6 months ago. Since I started, the main task I was working on was designing this new dynamic fee system. This task is impacting several parts of the Lisk project, not only the protocol, the transaction pool. We have to design a new algorithm to estimate these fees and so on. I'm really excited to announce that now this month the science team is growing. I have a new colleague joining me, so we'll have a double effort to complete all these theoretical tasks for the science team. One of the main topics that we are going to work on is improving the ID system. This ID system is referred to the address system, the transaction system, and the block system. Apart from that, the main goal is going to be, as it was from the beginning of the science team, to improve, to add new features and new capabilities from the theoretical standpoint for the Lisk protocol and the Lisk network.
Hi, I'm Jan from Germany. I'm excited to join the science team at Lisk Light Curve.
Hello, I'm Valeria. I'm a video editor for Lisk Light Curve.
Hi, I'm Burak from Germany, and I'm excited to join Lisk Light Core as a financial analyst.
Thank you guys.
As we do every month, now it's time to do community shoutouts for all the members who have been extremely helpful within the project. That includes Gargamoyo, our Lisk Telegram moderator, John Alex for hosting Lisk San Antonio workshops, as well as Mayade for helping in the Lisk Amsterdam Meetup that took place for this month. Next month, we have a lot of meetups happening. That includes meetups in Poland, as well as meetups in London and Dublin. Please be sure to check out lisk.io/events to stay up to date on all the meetups that are taking place around the globe.
Also, we have a number of open positions here at Lightcurve. If you're interested in joining the team, please check out our careers page. All of the links that you've seen are in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next month.
Bye.